Money good, I ain't gotta worry about shit. Money good. Money good. Throw up where I'm from, let them know I'm still hood. I ain't had to get nobody hit, but I could. Before I post a pic, should I flex? Yeah, I should. I ain't gotta worry about shit. Money good. Boy, you know you need to come give me that dick. He wanna hit from the back cause I'm thick. I like to fuck on him when I get lit. Yeah, tell me this pussy is shit. Oh, he's so thirsty. Ride that dick like a horse. See, he said, are you tired? I look back like, boy, laid up on the bed, ride it to the tip top. He like it doggy style cause I make that ass pop. He ain't never finna leave me cause I got that drip drop. Said this last bitch still fucking like a robot. Let's have a sex talk, huh? Wanna see your body, take your clothes off, huh? I'ma bust quick if your lips off, huh? Rock that shit till you blast off, yeah. Let's have a sex talk, huh? Got a big boy, then pull it out, hey. Can you make it feel like the first time, huh? I don't get tired, let him wear